Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please give this video a thumbs up to help the channel grow. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Truth and Light Realms, First Part. By Angel V. ORNEDO Jr. Monday, September 5, 10:22 p.m. In search for truth we face a blank wall in timeless fashion, confronted with eons of cabal, ancestral, and religious false beliefs, lies perpetrated by evil. This darkness lurks at our tiny domain, a planet we call Earth, a generic term we adopted for our residence. In reality we are known in the cosmos as Earth Shan, the planet of tears, as we reside at her bosom, birthing and sustaining us. She turned prison cell of evil, controlling, manipulating, feeding on negative human energies who allowed themselves exploited, foraged, and manipulated. Lighted realms watch, observe, assist aware awakening humans when asked, the law of free will. Pity humanity living on this planet shedding tears day by day. Beings of the lighted realms live at a high vibrational frequency who are not subject to time nor space, etheric, are invisible to human consciousness. They follow mandated law of free will. They can reveal themselves and go to a lower vibrational frequency to be seen by 3D beings' eyes in crystalline images. In a similar vein, Christ, or Christos, is a state of being of light, love and truth, the I am perfection attained by Sananda Jesus. Light workers are in their current progression to fully attain perfection as ascended masters. Material or physical earth planes/spaceships pass through that high vibrational space of the lighted realms unseen without bothering lower dimensions. They are never in heaven where they sit on solid thrones. Lighted realms frequency is unavailable to evil as a domain, as their organs disintegrate into nothingness when they try to pass through the 5th vibrational frequency or the 6th. If you are at that plane of progression we are destined to go. Lighted realms have the capacity to show themselves as individuals or their light ships as twinkling stars of even higher technology hovering our space and atmosphere at a clear blue night, mandated by Creator God to help humanity. Humanity now are starting to have satellites or unmanned ships hovering at the solar system, learning that the moons of planets are watery or icy, the reverse of our ideas before, but known to Egyptians, and the Sumerians are millennium ancestors at the Middle East near present Iraq, which evil pronounces myths are reality. Truth discovered by NASA probes in Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, and Jupiter. History of floods and earthquakes. We learned of huge flood from Noah, who made history by starting a new life for humanity as guided by an Anunnaki Lord Enki, the scientist who taught him how to build a submarine. History but taught as myth. This moment forthcoming, our moment in time where our Mother Earth Shan, Gaia's soul spirit discretion turns on her axis. Truth that humans have been existing for more than 200 million years, never 2,000 to 4,000 years taught by religion. We pray she shifts and graduate to 5th dimension, cleanse her body of dirt and pollution humans did without being controlled by evil technology. When Earth Gaia celestial body exercises her discretion of turning over her axis, all beings she sustains will have to leave. All 3D beings die unless rescued as gigantic waves, floods and volcanic eruptions simultaneously happen. At that exact moment the lighted realms in their light ships are around to our rescue, our children, light workers, and prepared awakened souls who can make lighted realms million light ships and similar Earth planets home for us as Earth recuperates in 4,000 years after turning. Rejuvenation of the planet Earth is a day for etheric beings. Gaia is cleansing herself of the murk, gangrene, dirt, pollution humans did to the planet as she shifts to higher dimension. This is truth that happened 20,000 times on Earth, who turned on her axis, evolving but manipulated by evil through high dark technology, and return always to 3D illusion frequency to manipulate humans. Current civilization is 12,000 years in controlled state by evil and negative Niburians, their prison cell for eons even before our current civilization flourished. Our religious call them the fallen angels, Luciferian, the evil beings, while their minions and clones control us utilizing government, religion, media and Satan's war Bible, the edited and written format by Saul and Constantine to manipulate humans. They exploited, edited or destroyed the wisdom and knowledge of the Egyptians written and stored at Alexandria and Nineveh, Iraq. In the process they harvest the negative energies of humans who turned minions and followers of the dark. This is where we live and stand at this moment in million years of tears and negativity and progression to unity, collective consciousness to oneness. Creator source uncreated evil and darkness from Earth, astronomers and NASA information. NASA said Planet X, Nibiru, a giant planet, has a spherical orbit affecting Earth gravitational system every 2,600 years now, back to the planet of the crossing. Remember history. Eons Nibiru, one of 4 moons, cuts into 2 Tiamat Earth and left the planet mangled till a half is left and recover as Earth today in sphere form. Mother Earth at her discretion graduates now and shifts to a higher plane. This decision of Earth Gaia will create upheavals, deluge of epic proportions, the oceans to overflow land. With 5 miles waves, inundate landmass and all volcanoes will simultaneously erupt. Human evacuation is paramount where the lighted realms are major rescuers and million ships above us unseen. Be ready as this is only several minutes of assistance by etheric beings known to us as angels, messengers, observers, and light energy healers from etheric realm. Be on their beam and get rescued. Pollution, destruction and nuclear warfare. Despite all these happenings in 206 million years of humans evolving with our galaxy orbiting the great central sun, always remember that there is no death of the soul. Our astronomers are getting geniuses knowing these galactic orbit. Death is only a change of form as human souls take a new format of flesh for heart experience. The dark part of humans, minions and clones controlled by evil are destroying the fabric of space and waylay souls. Scientists harness the power of the sun, the creation of nuclear bombs, mangled with hydrogen, the source of living life, turning rocks to soil and power reactors that blew part of our civilization. This deep knowledge of the sun exploited by human scientists of USA during U.S. President Truman bigot reign annihilated Nagasaki and Hiroshima when the Japanese has surrendered to General Douglas MacArthur. Nuclear plants utilized by various countries created leaks in Fukui Prefecture in western Japan, blast of Chernobyl nuclear power plant in Ukraine, Russia. There are nuclear leaks causing untold radiation in 40 USA locations, several sites in Czechoslovakia, France, Canada, UK, Switzerland, Belgium. More. Producing untold radiation, destroying nearby fabric of space that waylaid souls for eons, before they recover, all hidden from us. This is no longer tolerated nor allowed by lighted realms to avoid Mother Earth turning to asteroids like Maldek in our solar system history. Creator God will not allow our planet Earth annihilated. That is how evil destroyed their own planet and Maldek. At a nuclear devastation, free will vanishes in this particular event as the planet and humanity will be annihilated and souls waylaid. Evil human quasars. Technology will no longer work as etheric beings are in full control. Mother Earth Gaia, a sentient being with her great spirit, earned the right to transfer to the 5th dimension aided by planetary alignment of creation at the solar system that recently happened where we humans live. Nearby planets at our system are habitat of etheric beings who have graduated at earlier times to higher dimensions. Gaia has the decision discretion and the right to turn on her axis, graduate to the 5th dimension. It is planetary graduation time of Mother Earth after many orbits at the great central sun at galaxy center. Humans our time are lucky after 206 million years the great orbit of our planet at the central sun jibes with our desire to pursue the path of oneness with the Creator God. Sananda Jesus flock are on the lead, though a very small knit group. Their collective consciousness, intentions and prayers reached Creator God the Source, and God Great Spirit within the flock gained the momentum to thrash out evil. We can be beamed, rescued from devastation and transferred to the domain of the lighted realms or to other planets similar to Earth where they have the technology to travel through light ships or by a location at their desire to new locale. We shared information decades ago with siblings and friends to get prepared, meditate, start to live and love symbiotically with nature. I am lucky I was born loving nature, planting trees wherever I build homes and develop industrial estates, loving them so much. Asu Sananda 2000 years ago in his sojourn at Shan, informed us of Earth's graduation. He will come like a thief in the stillness of the night, a very intriguing statement on when this visit happens. Mother Earth can exercise her right to shift to a higher dimension, graduate, and Christ Sananda is there always with us, who will guide us with other lighted realms beings around the planet ready at the orders of Creator God to assist humanity on this evacuation plan. Vision and imagination of what you would like to do in the next couple of years will tell the future of your soul as Mother Earth will shift to the 5th vibration with aware humanity on board. The truth that happened 20,000 times in our history is now Mother's graduation, finally. Asu Sananda gave us truth to be instilled and mastered by us to prepare our body and soul for this imminent transfer to etheric realm, otherwise our beliefs instituted through our DNAs will not be healed. Truth has been hidden by evil for human control as our negativity are fodder to them. We have 18 universal laws to follow, Master, as we face God on our progression, at which moment we judge ourselves not the Creator as our soul is a fragment of Creator. Follow them. Non-mastery means we incarnate in an illusionary world in 178 billion planets at our galaxy, your choice, God's way to experience through us in a progression of the soul. Love and light. Angel v. ORNEDO Jr., nota bene. Truth emphasized in bold. We are lucky you can access the Phoenix Journals. Penned by creator, authoric beings, Sananda and Ashtar through Bellringer and Dharma, no longer relying on old lies. Look at 4winds10.com, and know the truth. About the author, Angel teaches love, light and field of unity consciousness, builds corporations with capitalist funds to generate livelihood and share knowledge with people. Angel is 77, MBA, CPA, A, Reb ABR. Link at ORNEDO Jr. @gmail.com. Read book Knowing the Infinite Creator.